Hello, beautiful children. How are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn some animals' name alphabetically. So let's get started. A for alligator. B for bunny. C for chicken. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fox. G for giraffe. H for hedgehog. I for Iberian frog. J for jaguar. K for kitten. L for lion. M for mouse. N for nightingale. O for owl. P for pig. Q for quail. R for reindeer. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for urchin. V for vulture. W for wombat. X for xeros. Y for yak. Z for zebra. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe and share this channel. Goodbye and stay positive.